Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best utility knives in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. Husky Folding Utility Knife. The Husky's well thought out and textured handle design helps to enhance the ease of operation and overall function. The patented stainless steel blades give the knife a clear and razor-sharp cutting quality. The hunting knife-like design gives it a robust and heavy-duty finish whilst allowing it to still fold and pack comfortably. To cater to different individuals, the utility knives come in varying colors packed in a 3-piece package. Number 9. Tape King Utility Knife. Economical, ergonomic and portable design is what makes the Tape King utility knife such a great deal. Although designed for light home and office applications, the utility knife features a relatively sturdy and durable blade fabrication. The wide plastic handle at the bottom and curved finish give the user a more natural grip and effortless operation of the knife. Weighing at less than an ounce, the knife also makes its usage less straining and safer. If you are looking for a solution to light home applications or heavy duty office applications, the Tape King utility knife makes an ideal option. The utility knife lets you engage in a variety of activities ranging from typical office tasks, home improvement, arts, and crafts as well as cardboard or box cutting. You can use the disposable utility knives as your main or as spare knives you hold in the office, kitchen, garage, or basement. Number 8. Holtzmann's Gorilla Survival Utility Knife. As the name suggests, the Holtzmann's Gorilla Survival Utility Knife comes in a tool combo set, a survivor's essentiality. The combo features a screwdriver, a clip, and an army-style utility knife. The sleek black and silver design on the knife also gives it that badass look, whilst its low price makes it sought after by many customers. Whether you are a hunter, carpenter, construction worker or simply looking for a home tool, the Holtzmann's Gorilla Survival Utility Knife should be your new pal. The Holtzmann's Gorilla Survival Knife's 2-in-1 functional design offers you a choice of having multiple blade options. So you have one pocket knife that does the job of two. The survival knife boasts a utility knife and pocket knife blade design. With the two-blade design, the utility knife offers you a wide range of applications from hunting and construction tasks to simple box cutting. Number 7. Rex Beatty Utility Knife. The Rex Beatty brand lives up to fulfill the essential home tool requirements by giving its consumers the 12-pack Rex Beatty utility knife. Each pocket knife unit is attached with an 18mm wide razor-sharp blade for high function. Plus, the 12-piece utility knife package comes at a low price tag. This Rex Beatty offers you the ideal tool stash for your home that come in handy in many emergencies and will last you for a longer period. Whether you intend to use the Rex Beatty utility knife at home or the office, they serve to be an ideal option. The utility knife boasts a plastic casing with a wide butt handle which enhances comfort and allows for one-handed operation. The plastic casing holds the blade in a fixed position when cutting your material. When retracted, the housing securely holds the blade to prevent the risk of accidental lacerations. The design of the utility knife incorporates a slider that allows you to smoothly gauge and adjust the cutting depth to your preferences. In fact, the Rex Beatty utility knife offers multiple blades cutting depth options. Number 6. Mossy Oak Utility Knife. Designed as an EDC box cutter, the Mossy Oak utility knife is an ideal tool for use in lighter applications. Paper, tape, box, and light fabrics can be cut through easily with the Mossy Oak utility knife. The palm-fitting pocket knife still maintains high safety for its users even if it's only designed to use for lighter applications. The safety mechanism of the utility knife is fully guaranteed by the line lock and quick-release blade systems. The Mossy Oak utility knife features retractable and removable razor blades. The housing is made of a durable metal material that is molded and curved on the side of the handle to enhance the knife's grip. The Mossy Oak utility knife also features a subtle enough blade and knife housing design for articulate cutting without damaging whatever you are working on. Number 5. Work Pro Utility Knife. The Work Pro utility knife incorporates the ultimate affordability, dependability, and reinvention. With the newer single lock design, The WorkPro brand puts customer concerns ahead as a priority to offer a safer, practical and easy-to-use utility knife. The knife's authentic hardwood handles on the other end adds class to its finish as well as durability and comfort during usage. Its lightweight finish gives it a true pocket and utility knife design. Your household chores can be complex sometimes. Whether you are repositioning items around the housing, decorating for the festive season or doing random repairs, having essential home improvement tools is always a priority. The WorkPro utility knife makes it to the essential tool list. The high-quality and ingeniously crafted utility knife are designed to be handy when needed. Number 4. Klein Tools Utility Knife. With over 160 years in the market of manufacturing high-quality and durable home tools, the Klein Tools brand introduces this utility knife. The knife combines a unique lockback design, snap lock and sliding mechanism to provide an extremely safe option. The triple ground blade design on the other end delivers a sharp and fast action performance. The specially designed and curved rubber grip on the other end also provides the ultimate comfort, grip and effortless usability of the utility knife. The Klein Tools utility knife incorporates an innovative design that helps to enhance its function whilst leaving the user safe and comfortable. The utility knife features a lockback design that enhances its safety and precision function, and it does this by employing the snap lock and sliding mechanism. And during the process, it is designed that it doesn't retract. Number 3. All-Trade 150003 Series Utility Knife. The All-Trade 150003 Series Utility Knife attests to the brand-famed cutting-edge design and quality on its home tool products. The All-Trade utility knife also features an easy-to-operate and blade-changing mechanism with just a subtle touch of the button. And to match the brand's guarantee on user comfort, the utility knife is fabricated with a ergonomic cushioned grip and naturally hand-curved handle. The All-Trade utility knife comes with no surprise in regards to its sharp blade edges and high-performing abilities. This is thanks to the All-Trade's trusted and long-term quality guaranteed utility knives fabrication. The All-Trade utility knife guarantees sharp blades, ergonomic housing design, lightweight finish, and affordability. The utility knife uses the highest quality materials and incorporates modern technology to produce a working gem. Number 2. Sheffield 12113 Series Utility Knife. Built in a one-hand operation design, the Sheffield Q2113 Series Utility Knife offers convenience for cutting through basic obstacles such as paper, ropes, cardboard, and thin plastic. The pocket knife comes with 2 highly durable blades, whilst its patented quick and easy blade replacement mechanism allows for effortless blade change so you can use it to its full capacity. Its mixture of good quality material housing and blades as well also adds to overall high performance. The Sheffield 12113 series is the ultimate utility knife option for both indoor and outdoor use. The pocket knife is designed with one-hand operation for added convenience and ease of use. With it, you can easily cut through paper, plastic and even thick cardboard. The pocket knife comes with a pre-installed blade and an extra blade for future changing. Number 1. FC Folding Utility Knife. The FC Folding Utility Knife features an attractive and unique finish which is also inventively adapted to allow ease of use. Its knife's ultra-sharp blade design, sturdy blade material, and durable body design give it its high quality and performance abilities. The folding mechanism gives it a convenient and pocket-friendly size for easy storage. The 5 free bonus blades that come with the knife add value to the overall purchase. Whether you intend to use it during your camping, hunting, or at your home as an everyday pocket knife to cut wallpapers or pack holiday gifts, the FC Folding Utility Knife offers good value and a high-quality portable knife option. The utility knife is built with heavy-duty carbon steel blades. Carbon steel makes an ideal material for the blades as it is tougher and more durable.